What if you can install a smart video doorbell without needing any existing wiring? Today, we're going to be checking out the Reolink battery doorbell with optional plug-in chime. Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab. Let's dominate the dark.
Dominate the dark.
All right, before we get started, I'd like to thank Reolink for sending over the battery doorbell and wireless plug-in chime for review. As always, receiving a product doesn't guarantee a positive review. My goal is to give you my honest thoughts and real-world experience so you can decide if it's right for your home. Now, this isn't just a smart doorbell. Reolink packed this one with crystal clear 2K video, AI-powered person detection, color night vision, two-way audio, and the flexibility of a rechargeable battery, meaning you're not limited to existing doorbell wiring. It also supports local storage, so you can save your recordings without paying any monthly subscription fees. We'll also be taking a look at the wireless plug-in chime to see how well it completes the system. All right, this is your SD card, and there's not much on the box. You got your product details here and just a blue box. It's the same all the way around. I can't flip it around because of the shipping information on there, but you got the nice R just like the TrackFlex box. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right, this is your plug-in chime. And this is going to be your video doorbell. Okay. All right. So we got your video doorbell. It is battery powered. You do have the option to wire it up if you have a pre-existing wired doorbell. You got USB-C charger, and then that's where your SD card goes. You got your user manual, you got your template for the bracket, you got your tips page, and you have a little pamphlet that tells you about other Reolink products. All right, you got two different plates. So this plate here, it'll mount flat and face outwards, or you can get an angled bracket and stick it on there, okay? It comes with wires so you can wire it in. There's your other one, and mounting hardware. Got your screws and anchors. Also comes with USB-C cable. All right, let's go ahead and get it installed, and then let's go through all the features. My current doorbell is actually the Ring 2 doorbell, which is kind of discontinued right now. I'm in major need of upgrade, but as you can see, you can't even tell that I have a package on my porch. Installation is going to be different for everybody. I'm installing it on the brick and mortar. So use the template, mark your two holes, drill them out, put your anchors in, and mount your plate. When you're installing the camera, the bottom slides in and then the top snaps into place. It's really secure, stable. It's going to prevent any theft. When you're ready to remove it, you put the SIM tool up top, release the lever, and pull it out. Now that it's installed, as you can tell, you can see my entire front porch right now. Whenever UPS comes, FedEx, USPS, whenever they get there, now you can tell I have a package on my porch. That way your stuff is always going to be secure. Before we jump into the app, I also want to mention the included wireless plug-in chime. Just plug it into a wall outlet, pair it with a doorbell, and you're good to go. With multiple ringtones options and adjustable volume, it's a simple but convenient addition that makes it easy to hear when someone's at the door. With everything up and running, let's take a quick look at the Reolink app. From the home screen, you can quickly access live view, review recorded events, customize notification settings, adjust motion zones, and fine-tune AI detection for people, vehicles, and packages. One feature I really appreciate is the local storage. Just make sure you install the micro SD card and you can save your recordings without any monthly subscription fees. If cloud storage is something you prefer, that's available as well. Now comes the important part. Let's take a look at the video quality. During the day, the picture is sharp, plenty of detail, making it easy to recognize faces and packages. Two-way audio is another feature I always like to test. Voices come through clearly on both ends, making it easy to speak to visitors without even opening the door. So after spending some time with the Reolink battery doorbell, I've come away very impressed. The installation was simple, the app is easy to navigate, and the video quality has been excellent both day and night. The standout feature for me was the head-to-toe viewing angle. Compared to my old Ring doorbell, it captures much more of my front porch, making it easier to keep an eye on visitors and packages. If you're looking for a battery-powered smart doorbell that's easy to install and delivers excellent image quality, the Reolink battery doorbell is definitely one worth considering. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss future smart home and lighting reviews. Thanks again to Reolink for sending this over for review, and as always, together, we can dominate the dark.